Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Babies' hiccups feel like rhythmic, repetitive twitches with a steady beat, while movements are more irregular and vary in strength and timing. Hiccups often last several minutes and stay consistent, whereas movements change as your baby stretches or shifts position. Recognizing these patterns helps you understand your baby's activity inside the womb.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.